In this video, I'll show you how to change your name on Facebook. This works the same on iPhone, Android, and computer. First, open the Facebook app, then go to your profile. Tap the menu icon. On iPhone, the menu is in the bottom right corner. On Android or computer, it is usually in the top right corner. Next, tap Settings. Then tap See More in Accounts Center. This will open the Meta Accounts Center where you manage your profiles. Tap Profiles. Select your Facebook profile. Then tap Name. Click Change Order of Name. Here you can edit your first name, middle name, and last name. If you can see I can't edit my name, you may see a message like, "Your last name change was January 28, 2026. This means Facebook does not allow another name change within 60 days. If the option is available, enter the new name you want to use. Then tap Done and press Save. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.